Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments. I love to read all of your comments. Y'all, we got some good news happening right now with the feds. A lot of people are not wanting the feds to step in. I'm reading that people are saying it's part of the third world order. I say to that, it is not part of the third world order. They are working on getting stimulus money. Like during the hurricanes and stuff, when you got those little charge cards, where do you think that came from? And the third world order did not take over then, did it? This is the same thing. Neil Kakari said that we should know by tomorrow what the feds are going to do on the stimulus front. They are looking to pass their own stimulus package without Congress because Congress has failed so bad. The feds are looking for reoccurring stimulus for the people, and they are wanting $2,000 per month reoccurring checks. Let's hope this happens. And yes, they do have the power to do this without Congress. Y'all, it's not set in stone. This is just what they're wanting to do. They hadn't done it yet. Who knows what's going to happen? So don't say that Walter said this is happening. I did not say that. I said this is what they're wanting to do, and we should know by tomorrow if they're going to do it or not. The Problem Solvers Caucus is made up of 21 Republicans and 21 Democrats. They are working hard to pass a bill because they see how terribly their leaders has failed the American people. So they're going to take matters into their own hands. The Democrats are coming back to Washington to work. Meanwhile, Mitch McConnell said when he was asked to come back, he said, no, we have the magic of the telephone. Shows just how much Mooch cares. Big surprise, huh? Elizabeth Warren. You remember her. She ran for president. She's the fake Indian. Y'all, I don't like her at all, but I have to agree with what she's saying. She had some very stern words for Mooch McConnell. But the gist of her comments was she is demanding him come back to Washington to get the job done. Everybody sees how bad Mooch McConnell has failed. The man already sees that he will not be reelected. So now he just don't care. And it shows. Y'all, this thing with the Federal Reserve looks very good. It's not third world order stuff like a lot of people are trying to say. This is help for the American people. It looks like they care more than Congress does right now. Y'all, I try to cut this down the middle, not show too much bias to the Republican or to the Democrats. I bash them both because they both deserve it right now. They both has failed us miserably. I don't see myself as a Republican. I don't see myself as a Democrat. I see myself as an American. Sooner we could get rid of these party lines, the better off we'll be. Y'all, I love you all. Good things are coming, and I don't think it's going to be that far away. Just keep your faith in God. He will see us through this, and just know I love you all. Ciao.